Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing good. Welcome to the new video. So in this video we are going to learn about unit of measurements or unit of measure. Unit of measure describes the quantity of particular resource. Labor resources are often measured in unit of time such as hours or days, and material can be measured in cubic or linear feet, and the item used one by one can be measured individually or as shipped. And then money is generally measured in monetary units such as dollars, euro, or yen. So here we have a complete sheet of unit of measurements. You can see first we have the basic units of measurement like length we can measure in meters, time we can measure in second, hours as well, then amount of substance mole, then next we have electric current like in here. So next you can see we have a unit of measurements of various types of work. So you can see next we have a unit of measurement of material. uh, Here we have detail of material. At the front of uh, material detail we have a unit of measurement. Cement we can measure in a bags, then sand aggregates, brick beds, cubic in a cubic meter, bricks in the numbers, white cement in a kg, like that. You can take the overview. I will upload this sheet and you can download this sheet from the resources and you can use this sheet for your projects. Okay, so this is very informative sheet. Next, you can see we have a unit of measurements for artwork, like artwork in excavation in ordinary soil, like we measure in a cubic meter, surfacing dressing, square meter. So next we have a unit of measures for brick masonry or stone masonry. You can see you can. I hope you can find your required like. Material and unit of measures from this sheet. You can see here. Next, we have unit of measurement for the concrete work, like the PCC. Here in we can measure in a cubic meter. RCC again cubic meter. Okay, so next we have a unit of measurements of woodwork. You can see woodwork for the door, window frame like a cubic meter. Then we can also measure in a square meter. So next, we have a unit of measurements of steelwork. Steelwork usually we actually steel when we talk about the steel, so usually we measure in tons if you are working on a mega project. So we can also measure in a kg. So next, you can see we have a unit of measurement for the roofing. So, so tiled roofing in square meter. Next, we have a unit of measurement for the plastering, pointing, finishing. You can see cement plaster in square meter, unit of measurements for the flooring. Next, we have a unit of measurements of the miscellaneous items. So almost we have all the items related to the civil engineering. Okay, so actually unit of measures will vary from project to project. Okay, so now next move to the Primavera P6. To define unit of measures in Primavera P6, so we have a path, admin, admin categories, and then units of measure. Now you can see we next we will click on add, and first you can see unit abbreviation, then unit name. Here we are going to enter few unit of measures for our project. Let's suppose first is the kg, means kilogram, add tons, then add, and let's add one more, SFT, square feet, add one more, CFT, cubic, cubic feet, then we have a numbers. So I think these examples are enough. I hope you understand how we can define the list of unit of measures in a Primavera physics for your project. So because unit of measures are very important, definitely when we will define the resources list, especially for material, we use these unit of measures, and when we will assign these we assign the resources on activities. So again, we will use these unit of measures. Okay. So next, we will click on the save button to save the changes. Thank you so much for watching this video. Now see you in the next video.